WidsMob Viewer is a super fast photo browser, which enables you to load photos on Mac in different modes. On the library mode, you can click the plus button to add a folder with photos. And then you can find all the images and thumbnails in the library mode. Just zoom in or zoom out to check the desired images according to your requirement. When you need to check the images in full size, you only need to double-click the image. You can find the pixels of the image, data and size. Click the arrow, you can find all the images in the same folder or subfolder. When you need to pick up images from different folders, you can click the My Favorite icon. Drag and drop one image of the desktop or any folder. You can add all the pictures into the program without opening each image individually. Then add more images into My Favorite for further management. You can check the actual size of the image or zoom to fit. Or even delete the image from the original folder. WidsMob Viewer also provides adjust features and multiple presets for photo editing. And then you can share the photos to social media, email, message, AirDrop or photos. Besides drag and drop image or folder, you can also load images into the program. Copy, move to trash, crop, rotate, flip and more other batch process. The program also provides some hotkeys to achieve the effects with keyboard directly. When you have some photos taken with DSLR, you can also check the exif information. Whether you have JPEG, PNG or even RAW files, you can use WidsMob Viewer without problem. You can also check the photos in full screen size, which you can find all the details of the images. The slideshow mode will display the photos automatically. You can also manually view photos in full screen. If you have some favorite photos, you can one-click to set the desktop. Click the My Favorite folder to check the photos you selected. You can export the photos to a new folder, share to social media, or even use the battery size, convert, and rename features for the desired photos only. Click the playback button. You can also check the photos in slideshow mode with full screen.